Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Well, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, many much more stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle in today's my collection. So beautiful ideas of haircut, Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so beautiful ideas of eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, and so beautiful collection of highlights and trendy ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, too short curls on hair, curly hairstyle, messy hairstyle, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, mostly ideas in low maintenance messy hairstyles, and so beautiful collection of overall ideas, overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice and stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in the next video. Take care.